My people, I know they like gossip. No, make una see this fine face. Me, I know they like gossip. Now, so I go just do on my own, person go just start dey WhatsApp me. They send me questions. Now, so the person just WhatsApp me. Madam Aproko, who be that girl now where Davido the hole in hand? Now, so I say make her bring this matter. No, see me, I know like I be good girl. As I don't go find out now. I bet many of una no know Davido, Nigeria singer. In fact, una know I'm not even started describe my people for one video now where we catch. Obio himself. Omo baba olowo. This guy we see and they hold the girl hand. You know when you're in person and in couples, sorry, you're in relationships. Sorry, relationship. That's so they go down the stairs. Ikpaka. The guy even they hold the video like saying I'm property. Hey, Chioma. Hey, voila. My people, through my findings, now so I can't find that say this guy na rapper. His name na Mia Yafari. I beg Yafari. I don't know. They say na Atlanta model. I don't know what she define with Davido now. And this girl where they talk about na MAX. Na no MA. Now one another rapper too. And that one a female. So I don't even need to complete some kind of things. The girl we wanna see with Davido. Na this girl girlfriend. So they be the dates before now they don't break up. So I beg for now we don't know how the matter go down. Let us go down with it. Join me, make we watch the video. Yeah. Chioma, I need to sing am again. How many of you know that song? Brother Dave, I be make I even shorten your name. Wetin dey happen na? Kilo shele. After you sing assurance finish for Chioma, now you don't carry lesbian, lesbobo. You don't enter. Hey. My people, this girl now, she even dey fear. No, watch the video. Every 2 seconds, now so she go dey turn around, dey look. She don't hear Nigerian girls matter. She don't say we know they carry last. Because any moment from now, Chioma fit just reach there with plank, hit them for head. She don't say with Nigerian girls, they too they aggressive, especially when it comes to their man. Person even tell me say Davido, they try help the girl cross road. No. Which road which road they cross? No, the country where she from, they no get road where they cross before. So Davido now don't turn zebra where this girl go use and cross road. No, I no blame you now. Continue to bring different excuses. All this one now when I just watch, it dey happen, no? It dey happen. Davido dey with person now, and Chioma go dey busy for house. They cook jollof rice, and she don't back it fine for him back now. Still they So when this one come house now, honey, come and eat jollof rice. Women they try. But wait, make her first understand something. If this girl na lesbian, the girl where Davido dey hold, if she be lesbian, hope say Davido no be you understand? You know those people where they do both sides. I just dey hope because as it be like the assurance don't turn endurance. We will never be put to shame. Somebody should say amen. Fear men, I beg. Fear men. Forget them. Fear men. And Davido friends now. I dey hate that thing. If friends now, they go come house. When they reach house now, Chioma don't cook better food, maybe soup and one swallow like that. Now so they go just come out. Hey, our wife will soon kill some people. You know what una guy they do, but now they still they call the girl our wife. I beg all of una make a divert small. If you know say you get this attitude, your friend they date multiple people. Any of the girls who una see una they call her wife. Make una repent this year. I know if I wait till even they talk this month, make this month be the last one I go they do that kind of thing. I know they like her. They know say this person they see other girls when they see you. Our wife now porgy. Wife now poor all of you there, all of you. Hey, Chioma. I beg you, see, after now, I go just call her. You understand? I go just call her because I need, no, me and her need talk. Some things must stop. Some things must stop. I beg, I beg. See, now beg, I dey beg. You know, say, na matter, they bring matter. You understand? So, as I come bring this one, now I just dey remember something. Make una no call me gossip. I just want bring this one now. Who notice say our chef Chichi don't stop the wear the ring where our David give her? Because I notice her. I don't see her like 2-3 times. But I can't to say, okay, maybe she forget her for house. Maybe she forget her for her. Maybe something happen. Una never notice. She don't stop the wear am now. She don't stop the wear am. Long time. I couldn't think say, wait to make you no come be like say these people know they marry again. Abi Davido don't tire. Abi don't. Maybe I say Davido never ready settle down. Very obvious. Wait till they do the waka with girl they hold in hand. Wait till they do with that girl. No, some of una now go come they give me many reasons. Which reason? That place now, how come Chioma no dey there? I can leave this one here. Now why me? It dey hard. Before I go marry one celebrity, I go first think like how many times because my people, I know wetin dey involve. I know wetin dey involve. So make una shine una eye. Auntie Chichi, our chef Irona, because endure. The assurance now, at least you dey manage am. You understand? Continue. My people. Na the gossip, no, sorry, na the gist be this. I know the gossip, you understand? So make una start dey drop those comments for that comment section. Why you think say Chioma no dey wear the ring again? And why you think say the video dey hold another person hand? As usual, I don't bring una my own. So if you agree or not, still drop her for that comment section. And I go reply on one by one. Share this video. Chichi need hear am. You understand? Before she go kill herself there, for man, they think say the man love her. No say you don't get another part B for that side. So that everybody go even know say now this thing they happen for 101 TV. Una know say I dey here for una every time. Stay tuned for our next story. Auntie Chi don't bring us another one, yo. Lagos life and Abuja life. Now, so this lady just come outside when they tell us say 400,000 monthly. You know if we give you the soft life where you do want, especially if you dey for Lagos or you dey for Abuja. My people, this thing now don't bring different talk, different response from left, right, center, up, down. Everybody now come they talk. And now, my people, I not be say I dey support anybody, but if you now even think this matter, well, now go even agree with me. I don't know how many of una dey against what she talk, but the thing be say in one way she dey right, depending on the angle una see am from. Because true, see, life for Lagos and Abuja no be beans, so no be something where you go just wake up say you dey live life. If you not say you want live life, soft life, make I even quote am. That soft life where everybody they call soft. Not be even everybody will know the meaning of soft. You know the meaning of soft life. Make una go ask Rihanna. She go tell her the meaning of soft life. If you want what do they call her? Management, you better go village. Because for Lagos, you know if you live soft life with 400, you know it's be 400K. By the time you pay house rent, by the time you pay water bill, by the time you the one we go even make matters worse. You can't get children or you can't get car. You go buy fuel. You go do. My people, see, no be except if no be the soft way me I dey think. If una get another definition of soft, una go tell me. You understand? I know they thought say you know fit survive. You fit survive, of course, but based on management, say okay, I'm not supposed to buy this one. You go start to cut down some things, and that one no be soft. The moment when you start to look for price, when you dey check price, when you dey cut down some things, it no be soft again. That one, in fact, na another thing. You understand? So now, once you, as I dey talk before, if una don't start they stay for Lagos or Abuja, many of una wey dey there right now, because not be everybody don't go there. And I dey talk based on experience. See, to cook alone, una go cook. Some people like they buy food. Ungwanu tell me, if they earn 400K and you be the type where they buy food morning, afternoon, night, or morning and night, because how that money won't last for your hand? except if normal naturally you dey reckless with money. Because person wey dey reckless with money, even if they give you 1 million, e no go reach you. You understand? E no go reach you even 1 million. So now people get different ways of soft life. My soft life and your soft life no fit be the same. Maybe my own soft life now, anywhere where I go I wan carry Uber because I no wan enter bus or trotro. Another person soft life fit be Okada. So our soft life dey different. You understand? So me, I get her point. I dey understand the point where she dey come from. You understand? It dey very, very important. Because see, when you get pikin, no be the same thing like when you dey alone. No. Because that one, you no even dey think of yourself again. Mommy, I want this. Mommy, I want this. How long you go to tell your pikin no, 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 no? But if na fake life you dey live, because now some people don't they tell me say the girl na fake person, they live, they follow sugar puppy or sugar mama. You understand? If na that one, then I no get anything to tell you, my sister. Now be say your own na extravagant life. You understand? So it is very, very important. Lagos and Abuja, they be places where for Nigeria, you know, they go there to go the count bridge. Say you go there, they look color of painting. You don't. If now other states, fine. Those places now hustle ground. Like if you dey go there, nobody go even tell you. The competition high, the demands they high. You understand? I know people where they don't sell their cars. Some people don't sell their cars because they no fit afford fuel. I get person, no be say them say, you no fit afford fuel again, he go sell the car. So wetin una dey talk? Wetin no which kind of soft life una mean? Country like Nigeria right now, we dey talk. Where dependency ratio na 90%. Nigeria no, you no fit now. You no fit. Everybody right now, as we dey for Nigeria, no be like other countries where you go say, okay, oh, government they support, so person they support. No, Nigeria now you're on your own. Level of dependency na 90%. Now be say 10% na the only help where the whole country fit get. 10%. And if you sit down, say they wait for that 10%, now be say you go die of hunger. So me, I understand her point. You understand? You no fit live in a good apartment or drive good car with that 400k. You know good. Koda. You understand? So very, very important. But if anything where I talk now, you feel say I no talk well, or maybe she dey right, she no dey right. Anyhow, my people, we know as usual we go to discuss them for that comment section. So start to drop the comments there. But me, I don't tell you waiting me, I think and I feel. So my people, now the one way I feel say I feel talk, I don't come talk. So if you get anything against waiting, I don't talk. Whether you support them or you support my own, or you dey against the both of them, you know how they go. Just drop it for the comment section and I'll go answer one a day one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss everything when we drop. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know what they happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next story.